Now this method has never been seen before. Sign up for an account on this website and you can use it to earn money using this brand new method which I'm about to show you in this video. I'm going to show you what you need to do to earn thousands of dollars online using this method. Now when I say this is brand new, I genuinely mean it. Nobody has shared this method before. This is brand new exclusive content and I'm going to show you how you can make money with this new method. Now all I'm asking for you in return for this free content is to leave a like on the video if it's helpful and drop a comment down below. This is working worldwide. You don't need any technical skills to make this work. So make sure you watch it all the way until the end and we'll jump into my computer. Now I'm really excited to share this method with you and get it online on my YouTube channel because I know some people that are watching this video will take action and actually go and earn money with this method. Honestly guys, it's brand new, it is working and I'm excited to share it with you. Now the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to Google, you want to type in 1001 fonts and you want to click enter and you need to go to the second one here, 1001freefonts.com. Now I'm not going to waste your time here, I'm going to get straight into the method. We're straight onto 1001freefonts.com. This is a website where you can download different fonts. Now we're not going to have to create a font, design a font or anything like that. What we're going to do is we're going to use 1001 free fonts. This is not affiliate marketing, this is something completely different using fonts. So now once you're here you can search for fonts. So you can search for different types of fonts like alien fonts, you've got blurred fonts, curly fonts, computer fonts, and you can scroll down here and you can go and download these fonts for free. Now some of these fonts are completely free with no strings attached. Some of them are free for personal use, and some of them you're going to need to make a donation. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go to the top fonts, and these here are the fonts which are the most popular. We're then going to go to license type, and you want to click here where it says free, and we're going to search here for the fonts which are completely free, which we can download and do anything with. So we're then going to click on update, and now we have a list of 2,652 fonts which we can download and use completely for free. So now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download a bunch of these fonts. Now what you want to do is you want to download 50 to 200 of these fonts, and I'm going to show you why in a second. So go and click on download and you can see the font will simply download, and you can do this over and over again for all of these different types of fonts. Now once you've downloaded these fonts, what you want to do is you want to open up your downloads. So you can see I've got these fonts now in my downloads. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly move them to my desktop, and you would do the same, you would just do this with a lot more fonts. Now what you can do is you can go and get the font file. So we're going to just copy the TrueType font file, and I'm just going to drag this onto my desktop. So now we have the actual font file, and you can do that with this one as well. So we're going to just drag out the font file. So now you have all of these different fonts that you can install to your computer. Now what you want to do is you want to right click, you want to go new, and you want to put them in a folder, and you want to call that folder font pack. So what we're doing here is we're downloading free fonts and we're going to create our own font pack. Now font packs are essentially big folders with loads of different fonts which people can download, and then they can install these fonts completely for free onto their computer within like one click, instead of manually going and just downloading all of these fonts. So once you've then downloaded all of these fonts to your computer, maybe you've got 50 to 200 fonts, and you've created your font pack, you can now use this font pack as a way to make money. So again, we go to 1001freefonts.com, we go and download all of these free fonts that you can use completely for free, and you can redistribute completely for free. You then go and create a font pack which you can use to make money, and here's how you can make money from that font pack. So you then want to go to a website called up-load.io, and on this website you essentially get paid to upload files. You get paid once people go and then download your files that you've uploaded. So you can see you go to up-load.io, you go to make money, and here if you scroll down you can see you get paid per 1,000 downloads. So if you scroll down here you can see if you get 1,000 downloads in a tier A country of a file between 500 and 1,000 megabytes, which is what ours is going to be, we're going to earn $7 for that. And a tier A country is US, Canada, and Switzerland. And then tier B, you've got UK, Australia, France, Germany, and so on. And you can go and read all of the rest here. So you're going to earn between $2 and $7 per 1,000 downloads on your files. Now what you want to do, you want to go ahead and sign up for a free account on upload.com. So go ahead and enter in a username, email, password, and so on. Go and enter in your payment information. You can even get paid out into Bitcoin here, but it's just easiest if you use PayPal, I guess. Now once you've done that, you can then go and upload your font pack to upload.com or up-load.io. Now it's just as simple as uploading that one file, and all you need to do is go and upload the file once. Now remember, you need about 50 to 200 fonts. People download font packs because there's like a bunch of fonts that they can download and install with a click of the button. So you need quite a few fonts for this to work, but all you need to do is go and put in the work once. So you can just go and download all of these fonts here. It's not really going to take you that long, maybe like 20 minutes tops to get like 200 fonts in the font pack. Now, you should be able to share your font pack around and get people to download it. Now, this is the important part, right? How do you get people to go and download your font pack? Now, there are a couple of ways that you can get downloads here. Now, first we need to realize who exactly is going to be downloading a font pack. Now, generally speaking, the people that are going to be downloading font packs are going to be like graphic designers and GFX artists. So you need to go to the places that they hang out, so you can then promote your font packs. Now, one of the best ways you can promote a font pack, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways. One of the best ways is through YouTube. So if you go to YouTube and you type in graphics font pack, you'll see here videos which are promoting different font packs. Now, these videos aren't anything crazy, and they're essentially just fronts to a download link of font packs. So we can go and see here, this one, 66 beautiful fonts free to download, has 337,000 views. Here you've got one with 450,000 views, and all they do is they basically just make a video showing the different fonts, and you can make a slideshow here making the different fonts. Now I do realize that not everyone has the ability to make this video and make a font pack video like this, but it is a good option because you can send targeted traffic here in the hundreds of thousands to your font pack, which is on up-load.io, and then when people go and download it, you're going to earn money. Now another great option is to use Facebook. Now you can go onto Facebook and you can search in the Facebook search bar, and you can type here for graphic designers, and you want to go ahead and join graphic designer groups. So once you've typed in that, you want to go and just find groups, and you can find different graphic designer groups here. So you can see you've got graphic designers with 126,000 members, and you can go and make posts on these graphic designer groups advertising your font pack. So this guy's saying if you need a logo, you can reach out to him, but there are multiple people here in this group who are graphic designers who couldn't use like all of these fonts. You can go and put your link throughout all of these groups and get people to go and download your font pack. Another great way is to use Twitter. So if you go to twitter.com, you can go and do the exact same thing, but do it through the Twitter search. So if you go to Twitter search, you can go and type in here, I need more fonts. And once you do that, you're going to find designers saying I need more fonts, and you can then go and reach out to these people. And once you get into the designer community, you're going to be able to like get people to download your font pack. My Twitter here is following random people, but if you just go and follow designers and you get into the designer community, you can build up a following of designers and you can share your font pack with them. Now those are just some ways that you can promote your font pack, but thousands of people are looking for font packs every single day because they don't want to go manually download font packs, and it's a great opportunity to upload your font pack to a website like this, which will pay you every time someone goes and downloads it. So I hope that video helped you out. Make sure you leave a like. If you need more methods, watch this one here, and I'll see you all in the next one.